Man, it's highballing it.
Do I gotta go in? No.
Oh, you want to highball around again?
Yeah, buddy.
One.
So here we are
That's one, two,
at
three.
Joe Discher's place. We're having a small operating session and work session all combined.
Okay.
So,
I'm on the outer. Pardon me, Joe. Come around. One, two.
Dave just came and stole a throttle, so nobody else could run.
That's a fact. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey,
Well, no, you gotta look at the numbers.
I told you a hot ball was coming out of there.
Yeah,
What you're
but
doing
that's
is
what I'm on
taking
this
an
track.
empty
Yeah.
off,
You got
or
your
a
switches
full
set?
off of track
me?
one, and you're gonna
Did I just stop?
move it to track
Check your
three.
switches.
If this is one
Yeah,
here,
it just amazes me sometimes
What's
all the
this?
different things that can go wrong.
Who didn't set a switch back to the main
That's
line?
where the engine is sitting.
I can't believe
Right there, the curve switch.
because it's coming out
No,
here.
no, it was, they should have been when you used it, you should have put it back.
Nobody used it yet.
Yeah, you did,
Oh,
Dennis
so
did.
Dennis.
Well, it's too late.
Green is picked up.
Hot ball's coming out, boys.
That's the only one you gotta reset once you take and go past it.
It's awful
Uh-oh.
quiet.
Oh my God! Clear the tracks.
Get out the way.
Here we go, boys.
There.
Oh, somebody.
He's on this track. And I know his problem. If I hit here, the locomotive's dying. It's not this.
There goes Dave highballing.
He's having trouble with his switches for some reason. He needs to put
So you guys are on the same. I've had two breaks I had to do.
So anybody over here got words out?
I'm trying to figure it out. Never figured out.
Hey, Joe, need a little bit of help.
Oh yeah, we're highballing now.
Yeah, baby. I'm a high baller. Oh, derailment.
Uh-oh.
Emergency stop.
No, we had a derail.
I took all those out.
What happened?
Push buttons.
I wonder if the switch ain't thrown. Wait,
No, I don't think so.
couldn't handle the speed. Took the timer.
I think you had the speed right. Okay.
Cover the square. You gotta deal with the five.
No, I got nothing.
No.
No.
Yes, you can, but I don't understand. You gotta push something and something at a different time. So it's very careful. I would recommend doing that.
Yep, she derailed again.
Yeah. Just the tender.
Oh, maybe we didn't have it fully on. That was the issue.
Oh, yeah. Come on, boy. Wake up. Time to go to school.
2 days ago, that ran without any problem.
Yeah, right. Uh-huh. Yeah,
I went upstairs, made a coffee, came back down. It's still running.
Yeah, right. We all say that. And then when visitors come to our layout, then
It
we're not
goes to shit.
actually visitors.
Right, it goes to shit.
I'm liking it. What's next?
You had light on.
It can't highball.
Really can't. You're gonna burn up the motor.
Well, I gladly replace it, brother.
Sometimes you feel like a nut. Sometimes you don't.
What happened to the mountain?
Hey, nobody
I guess he took it down.
going in the trash.
Let me ask you something. Where's the fancy?
Where am I? Where am
Back where we started from.
I? Ooh, I'm plugging the wrong one.
Dave,
What?
Dave, stop.
Dave, stop.
Stop.
There-
Trash.
Yeah.
Did you on your track?
Oh boy, that would have been cool. Should have been over there.
I could have did it without you guys helping me. I wanted to hit the damn track.
You want to get your frustrations out on it?
Yeah.
Hey, Dave,
You guys ain't fair, man.
here's a car for you.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Too big.
Oh, it is. You got these at home.
That's a 60-footer.
That's an 83 foot.
83?
I'm coming here with Dennis.
I got the little sign on my refrigerator that says, because I don't suffer from insanity, I enjoy every minute of it.
Yeah. Me too, unless I'm
Hey,
sleeping.
He's
Stop,
doing-
you're gonna head on me. I'm trying to get to the yard.
Yeah, you got the people operating, then you have the peanut gallery over here.
All right. Peanuts.
Well, I wouldn't do, and there's Ed saying, well, I wouldn't do it that way.
Did it switch?
It's switched.
Some people
that's
are
not the way
stick
I
to
would do
fire
it.
trucks.
Let me know when to set it back.
Wait a second. It's running through the switch
I like
here.
these. I like these.
Is that,
Strong ones?
Hit the rail on that switch again.
Number 5,
no.
back in there.
That one's back.
Where are you
No,
going?
I
There's
was
no
gonna
place
stay
to go.
back
Okay.
there, but
Yeah, I see.
here I got that locked, so.
He's coming out.
Yeah.
No, you did.
Was that you?
Yeah.
That's
No,
fine.
I'm just throwing switch.
That's fine.
It's not all the way over. That's where
Where
you
you
drill.
drill.
Back here.
Mm-hmm.
3
Oh.
inch.
Because he disconnected.
Should be there.
Okay.
It's all the way
Oh,
over.
it's a
right there.
drop
That's it.
off.
All right. They're nice.
Hey, Dennis. I'll get out of your way.
You know, you.
Dang, I gotta hunt down this firefighter and take him out.
Hey, you know.
Never take out the medic.
Oh, you got a point.
Old people do. Don't take the medic.
Now remember that's one of the reasons why he's in the group. We're just old people, so we needed somebody just
Need
in
11 back
case.
to 1.
No, he did say no mouth to mouth, so we're screwed if that
That's
happens.
out. That's the old way. The new way, just beat on the chest, ain't it?
Yeah.
I know how to do it. Just that's got 2 bullet holes in it. Beat on his chest.
Yeah, exactly.
Man, it's highballing it.
Do I gotta go in? No.
Oh, you want to highball around again?
Yeah, buddy.
You're not gonna make the station stop?